There are northern lights above us. There's so much northern lights today. Welcome back to Longyearbyen, where it's 3 p.m. but it looks like this because we have polar night, so we don't have any daylight up until February. But we love it. And today we are welcoming back Santa Claus to the village. It's me, Cecilia, here on Svalbard, an island close to the North Pole. Since polar night is quite the confusing concept, I thought I would just quickly explain it. Longyearbyen, which is the main village on Svalbard, an island governed by Norway, is located so far north that from November to end of January, we get no daylight whatsoever. Our days are spent in complete darkness, which might sound dreadful, but to me, it's lovely. So welcome to life in the very far north. Let's get started with this day. Oi, 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 oi. What a vibrant day, everybody. We are all definitely noticing that we're a bit more sleepy now that we've had polar night for a few weeks already. And I mean, when you wake up to this, it's not very difficult to see why it may be a sleepy season. But I'm still sleeping the same as I always do. I'm just kind of sleeping later in the evenings because my body's like, well, I don't know when to go to sleep. So I'm going to sleep at like 1. I'm reading until like 1 or 2 a.m. But that's fine. Grim has no idea what's going on. He wants to sleep all the time. Christopher, also sleeping. But it's what to expect from the polar nights. You know, it could be worse. I love myself a good sleep. I'm also relying a lot on my wake-up light, which is the best thing during polar night. So it's a light that wakes you up with a sunrise. And I love it. So that wakes me up around 9 is the latest now that I'm getting up, but it's okay. It's a super smart thing to have during winter. Just look how cozy an Advent star makes the bedroom. I absolutely love it. And we also put up this string light. I always get questions where I buy them, and you can just get them on Amazon. Like they cost $5 or something. And the thing to look for is copper wire string lights. And we have the ones you plug into the wall. Now I think we should go out and see what the weather looks like. It looks very snowy. So let's go and check it out. Hey, look at that, it's snowing. Christopher's up earlier than me, as he always is, and he said that it was clear skies, like literally 10 minutes ago. We are getting some new snow, finally. Look at this. I'm just in a snow flurry here. I love it. This is mostly just like snow that's already here blowing around. Anyway, today is my... What is happening? Stop! I've had enough. So today is my favorite day. Today we're welcoming back Santa Claus, and we're gonna head into town later to do that. First we need to watch my Advent, well not mine, but the Norwegian and the Swedish Advent calendar series, and we need to drink some coffee and just have a beautiful morning. I am getting so much snow on myself right now. I think it's around, this is ridiculous, like -1 today or something because it's snowing, so it can't be too cold. But it's gorgeous. Oj, 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 oj. Grim, har du det bra? Har du det bra där nere? One of the questions I get the most is Grim bilingual? And since Babbel, the top language app in the world, are sponsoring today's video, we're gonna put it to the test. Sit, sit, sit. Ja, jättebra. Snurra runt, turn around. I think we're gonna have to brush up on Grim's language skills just in general. And we're gonna start with the word of the day in Norwegian, which is nordlys. Very fitting for December. And something else that is fitting for December is learning some Christmas phrases for the holidays. Like Grim and I have been doing, and with Babbel, it's so easy to learn. Babbel teaches real-world conversations, and the lessons prepare you to have practical conversations about so many different topics. Maybe you want to impress a family member now this holiday season, or make some new friends. 5 flata flötebollar på ett flatt flötebollefat. Or perhaps you're traveling for the holidays and you want to be able to have some conversations with the locals. Vad syns du om årets julekalender? Whatever it is, Babbel is a great companion for anyone wanting to learn a new skill. All it takes is 10 minutes per day and you can be speaking a new language in only 3 weeks. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen to get 60% off your subscription. Babbel offer a 20-day money-back guarantee, so you can get started right away. So a huge thank you to Babbel, and let's head back to the video. Snurra runt. Great job. Turn around. Nej, du kan inte engelska, du kan inte engelska.
Like I say every year, today's tradition is one full of magic for those who wish to believe. According to Longyearbyen legend, Santa Claus lives in an old, closed-down mine in the mountainside, overlooking the town. Throughout the year, it remains deserted, windows dark and entry forbidden to all. Until, on the first day of Advent, the locals of Longyearbyen wake up to lights shining from inside the mine. Santa Claus has returned. There are lights shining bright in the shape of a Christmas tree above the mine, and a post box has appeared at the bottom of the mountain. The entire village is invited to meet at Huset, where torches are handed out. The streetlights are turned off for the occasion as we walk in the pitch black darkness of Polar night, with only the light of our torches leading the way. The first stop is at the post box. This is where the children put their wish lists for Christmas. I love watching how enchanted the children are by this tradition, and as the northern lights started dancing in the sky above us, it was obvious that there's magic in the air.
We are now at the post box where all of the kids are putting their wish lists in for Santa Claus. There's a lot of people here today, but I think it's because the weather is perfect. Just look at this. That's where Santa Claus lives. Oh, cute! Hey, Grim! Are getting some northern lights. Look! And it's just so beautiful today. It's truly unreal. So now we're on our way down to the main street. Oy. There's northern lights popping up a little bit of everywhere. It's over there and over there. So what they do for this occasion is they turn off all of the street lights. Well, not at the school, as you can see. More up there, but also here. So we can walk in the darkness of the polar night, hello Grim, down to the main street to light the Christmas tree.
We continued our torchlit walk under the northern lights all the way down to the main street to light the town square Christmas tree. Since nothing grows on Svalbard, this tree is imported from the mainland, and Longyearbyen has had their fair share of questionable trees throughout the years. Let's never forget the 2013 Christmas twig. It was so ugly that Longyearbyen was gifted a new tree to make up for it. But this year's tree looks lovely.
2, 1, Advent! Christmas tree.
It's here! Och den ser bra ut. That's gonna be great.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play.
It's such a little mini tree. Do you see that it's kind of like thin? But it's so cute. Okay, we have to adjust it though, because it's a little bit crooked. We're gonna do that now. I think we got it on the first try, right? Does it look good? Det ser bra ut va? Gud vad sett ut! I kind of forgot how to do this. Don't fret, I shall remember.
Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah, there's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby.
I think it turned out perfect. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at this incredible cup that I got from Hege Anita in Northern Norway. Thank you. It's actually from Starbucks. So if anybody wants to match me and Christopher this Christmas, go and get one. Oof, this is probably one of the best coffees. How cute is it? Christopher's already starting. Okay, we need to first, Christopher, place the best ornament of them all. The most expensive ornament that I have bought with my money. This was like 70 bucks. This is ridiculous. Oh, it doesn't come with string. You know, the 70 bucks didn't cover that, guys. This is a joke. Where's the string? It's incredible. How does this go? Let's try here. Santa Clausy.
Remember when love was around, when we were aglow, the talk of the town. When I'm sitting here drinking, I can't help but think about you, about us, as I do this time of the year.
Christopher is in charge of the Christmas ornaments because he likes it, so he got us these. Look! I think these are some of my favorites because this is just so darn magical. I mean, look! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
I think I remember me being with you. Was that just a dream that never came true?
We're finished! Och var försiktig med näsan. Oj, 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 mycket rörelse här. Oj, oj, oh my god. Oh, oh, oh. This is our Lego village. Here we have Santa's visit with the polar bears that we built from another set, and it even has, look, a Christmas tree that you can light up. Look at this. Then we have here the main street and also another Christmas tree. The music store. What is this? Oh, Santa's toys and games. And then of course we have Santa Claus over here, and in his trunk on his sleigh he has, for the reindeer, a pretzel and a carrot. So that's in the back of his truck. It's so cute. And then we also have 2 Christmas trees. Can you see them? Yes, I can't move them though. So this is the setup. And I think what we've decided we're gonna do is we're gonna pack this down as they are into boxes when we're at the end of this Christmas, because I don't think we wanna build this again. Not that we don't want to, but it would take quite a long time and also be quite difficult because it's all in one. Never mind. So we're gonna pack it as it is into a box. And then I think each year we're gonna try to buy the new winter set and build that to add to this collection. It turned out adorable, if I do say so myself. This is without a doubt our best ornament. Look at this. Oh, cool. And if you don't know, this is from the Advent calendar series that we're watching. Santa Claus, what does he do? He blows one of these for each wish from each kid. So this is one wish. And then he puts them in a box and then he sends them away and the wishes come true. It's the cutest ever! And Christopher bought one right from Santa Claus! So, probably the most magical thing we own.
I hope you enjoyed this video starting off all of the Christmas festivities on Svalbard, and I think this might be one of the most magical places to be for this time of year. Thank you so much for watching and for the continued support. I appreciate every single one of you so much. Now we're going to enjoy the northern lights that started dancing in the sky in the middle of the night. I was trying to sleep but was struggling for some reason, so I looked out my window and there she was, the aurora. So I threw on some clothes and brought Grim outside to watch the northern lights instead of sleeping. Okay, see you next week. Like and subscribe. Love you. Bye.